ねえナナ、私たちの出会いを覚えてる？私は運命とかかなり信じちゃうタイプだから。
Hi Nana! What's up dumplings? Today we're doing Nana inspired hairstyles. I broke my mirror this morning, so just like Nana, I will have 7 years of bad love. Yay! The key things that you need for Nana looks: headscarves, headbands, hair accessories. She just does a lot with her hair, and also she does a side bang a lot of the time, so we're gonna do a side bang as well. Japanese hair care low-key slays, so I like to use this honey oil, especially since I have pretty frizzy and dry hair, especially after I bleached it. So then we do a side part, a little emo moment, a little I'm shy, don't look at me. And then we're gonna leave another part on the other side, so I like to leave these bits at the front, and then we do 2 pigtails. I find it pretty hard to tie up my hair, to be honest, especially when it's so short. Like I'm running my own little boutique. Oh my gosh, you should have had her own little shop. Cute. I don't know how Nana does these hairstyles without looking like a lost 2-year-old, but I guess I look like that a little bit. So then we're gonna do little space buns. Now that you look sort of like an alien and you have 2 spaceships on your head, we're gonna split them in half, destroy them. Ending hair that we have, we're gonna use it to flip it through and make a little bow. Beware, this honey stick is so good, but it's also so strong, so don't put too much on your hair. It's probably one of the most memorable Nana hairstyles, and if you've got longer hair, these bits right here will probably be longer, and if they're longer and come down to here, that's good, because it means you can curl them and look more like the actual hairstyle. Hey Nana, I think I have damaged hair. So now we're just gonna do a simple high up ponytail. You just use the same method that I was using earlier, pretty much, kind of. You have this little bit that's left, so we're gonna clip it at the front, and just start clipping around everywhere. And this little blob that you have, this little UFO, I'm gonna split it around like this and pull it apart a little. I don't think my hair is long enough for this. I have to do this video when my hair grows out, but this is as much as I would be willing to let my hair grow out. You're kinda aiming for a bird's nest type of look on top of your head, and then headband. Yep, mistakes were made. But anyway, you just need to add a black headband, and then finally 2 black hair clips, which I don't have. It's giving trolls and purple minion. Listening to the Nana playlist is actually more depressing than watching Nana itself. This one is pretty easy. It's literally just a side ponytail and a big flower. Although I can't even do a side ponytail. Never mind, I take that back. By the way, I am aware of how my roots look. I will fix them soon. This is actually a necklace that I have. Work smarter, not harder. Also, Nana was low-key broke. I wouldn't be surprised if she was doing the same. This is probably the easiest Hachi hairstyle, which is literally just 2 half-up ponytails, and as long as you have the side bang, you're good to go. I also recommend this coconut oil for frizzy hair. My hair also gets curly, so it's really good to define some of those waves. Remember cuties, heat protection is so important, especially if you're straightening your hair, which is what I'm about to do. So Nana has very straight hair, but for the sake of those earlier hairstyles, I kept my naturally wavy hair because they were sort of messy. And then time for a headscarf time, so just keep those 2 bits at the front and then neatly tuck it, and you're good to go. Bam, bam, bam. My Bulgarian ancestors would definitely love this hairstyle. I think I have pictures of all my grandmas doing it. Too lazy to do a hairstyle? Well, I've got the one just for you. Literally just add a hair clip. for the next one, we take advantage of the straight hair, so we do a ponytail and then add 2 hair clips on each of those side bangs. Look at my floor and look at, did I just break it even more? I'm scared to look. Hi dumplings, I forgot to film an outro, so this is it. I think this video took about 24 hours to edit, so I might not have any hair left for the next hairstyles video. So please like it, subscribe, comment, and I love you. Bye!